Okay, so again we're back for more action. More action. Yeah, so we just realized that omai걸 just released Windy Day, like literally like 5 minutes ago. Hey, might as well react to this while we're doing nothing. We're just like watching TV, and I was on my laptop just browsing. And it's like, oh, here we go, here we go. No, and so we recently reacted to them and we thought they were really cool. Still don't know the names yet, but here we go. Let's just react. Yeah, let's do it. Omai걸, Windy Day, is it? Windy Day. Ooh, it's too loud. Okay, you got the. It's very loud. Spring flowers. Okay. The kite. I like that. I like that. Obviously, doesn't look too windy. Oh, here we go. Here's the wind. There's the wind. Okay. It's too loud. Got the A girl. You got the A girl. Okay. You got the hat. Okay. It's kind of scary, that place. Yeah. I think there's Yua. I think that's their name. There's a lot of people's bias actually. Okay. The bird might be mine as well. The birds, you know. Okay. Alright. Birds. Gotta have some birds in the video, you know. You can't go wrong with birds. Okay. That looks cool. That looks like New Zealand as well. Hey. Hide and seek, okay, in the woods, okay. Reminds me of the Twilight movies, you know? Yeah, just waiting for that wolf to jump out, you know? Okay, touch the face. Was it dead? Jesus. Was it dead? They need a gun to shoot it or something. Oh. It's kind of like, oh, look up. Oh. That is not violent. It's pretty violent. Dangerous. It is a windy day. Okay, red lipstick matches the dress. Okay, nice. Oh, random bed. Okay, that makes sense. Bed in the. Okay, I think she's the leader, right? Something like that. Okay, it's a windy day indeed. Yeah, she looked like Sully from FX. Yeah. Boom! Hey! Okay, nice little choreography. Nothing special, but it's nice. Okay. I wish my bed was up here. Oh. Yua, I think there's Yua. Okay. What's going on? It's kind of scary actually. It's like, reminds me of a Maze Runner movie. With that monster just jumps out. Boom! Look up! There's a tornado happening. Oh, tornado or something. This is quite violent. But they're still kind of happy. It's good. Okay. Oh, what the? Kind of random. Okay. Yeah, she looks like Crystal. She's got the A girl. Okay, she looks like Crystal. Okay, alright. Okay. What are they looking for? Okay. Are they looking for the wind or something? Oh. The dance is quite cute. Okay, alright. The A girl, I like the A girl style. All the guys like the A girl style. Okay. Is that Mimi? Oh. That's a really random video. Oh man. I see. It was a windy day. I see. It was a windy day indeed. Yep. So, quick review.
Oh My Girl's Windy Day. Overall, the video was, for me, just another kind of girl K-pop video. Nothing that was like outstanding, but the song was okay as well. Maybe it'll grow on me. We shall see. We shall see.
No, I thought it was up there with Liar Liar. I liked Liar Liar a little bit more.
I like the song.
It's the concept. But this is nice little kind of after song as well. But again, not as good as Liar Liar. But I like the concept of the wind.
Yeah, very nice. But yeah, overall, pretty good comeback. It was kind of random that we found this video at this time of the night.
I was actually like searching up the names randomly. I was looking at like you.
Yeah, it was a nice video, and overall, pretty good. Pretty good.
Yeah, thanks for watching. Again, comment on what you want us to watch, and we will react. And also, please subscribe.
Follow us on Instagram, Facebook.
We're almost at 10k, so if you can subscribe, that would be awesome.
And that's it. That's the end of the video.
So we'll see you next time. Oh My Girl, Windy Day. Good, not great, but I liked it.
Yeah, it's gonna grow on me. Yeah. Yeah.